Meaning of erection.
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 Erection. Erection refers to the physiological process by which a male's penis becomes hardened, enlarged, and elevated. It occurs as a result of increased blood flow into the erectile tissues of the penis, typically in response to sexual arousal or physical stimulation. The physical result of an erection is a temporarily increased size and firmness of the penis, which may facilitate sexual intercourse. However, it is important to note that erections can also occur for non-sexual reasons, such as during sleep or as a physiological response to stress or anxiety.